If you're watching this video, wow, clap for yourself. You have done a good thing. And not that you cannot, if you have been following this challenge from day one, trust me, you're doing yourself the best thing you could be doing right now, because the exam is few days away. So welcome to day 22 of the 30 days no grief for ICAN challenge. So today you're going to combine all those sections that you've been preparing of your case study reports, the cover page, the introduction, the analysis, all those little sections you have been combining. You are going to what you have been preparing. You're going to combine everything together to form a full report. So if you are not really sure on how to prepare an ICAN case study report, or you don't know how it should be structured, this is the structure. So the first thing is the cover page. That's the first thing that should be seen by your examiner. That's your page one. Then the next thing is your executive summary. Usually executive summary should just be one page, but because of the fact that it's a handwritten report, they understand that when you write something, it covers more space than when you type. So they give grace for a maximum of 2 pages. So it could be two pages, that's page 2 and page 3. Then you have your introduction. They did not specify. The only number of pages that they specified in the ICAN case study exam was the cover page, which they said just 1 page, and your executive summary, which they said should not be more than 2 pages. Any other section, introduction, body, appendix, is left to you. But they also said something in the study pack: quality over quantity. So don't, you can't be writing, and I'll use the word they said. They said that when they see a report that has like so long, they would believe that there's irrelevant information in that report. So don't go and start writing so many stories, you understand? Just hit the nail on the head. But they did not specify. It's left to you. It's based on what you want to do, you understand? So when you're done with the executive summary, you move to the introduction, then the body of your report, and finally the appendix section. So arrange this in that order: cover page, executive summary, introduction, body of your report, and finally your appendix. And when you're done, you're good to go. Well done. You have done a great job so far. Well done. It's all that you have done. So in the subsequent days, you are going to prepare a report. Take any past question on internal reports. I can recommend November 2023 that Adalas Product Nigeria Limited. They tested, that was an internal report that they tested. You could use that one as well. And take any report on external reports. You can actually there are many reports: November 2024, May 2024, May 2023. So many reports on external reports, was so many case study questions where external reports was tested. So just take one on internal, take one on external, try and practice it out, and then you're good to go. So if you still have challenges with creating a case study report, no problem at all. No pressure. We're here to learn. So if you still have challenges with that, no problem at all. I created a playlist where I solved ICAN case study past questions. You can just check that out, or you can send me a DM. I'll put my number on the screen right now to get a copy of Chronicles of 5 Diets. I solved 5 case study questions: November 2022, May 2023, November 2023, May 2024, and November 2024 diet. So I solved it completely. It's not like Pathfinder where you just have marking guide, like the full case study reports. Cover page, executive summary, introduction, body, appendix, everything is there. So you can send me a DM to get your copy, or just check out the playlists. That's the link is in the description. Check it out, and you can watch videos on how to create a case study report. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Check the description for the link to register for the class.